Hey, it's Tom
And Mike.
from Take Time to Travel.
Athens, Greece has so many delicious food options, with everything from traditional tavernas and mouth-watering bakeries to fine dining at Michelin star eateries. Today, we're going to show you some of Athens' best Michelin Guide restaurants to give you some ideas on where to eat during your trip to Athens, Greece.
Let's start at this eatery, which has a nice wraparound patio called Okio Restaurant, which is Michelin recommended and has a wall of glass that opens, making the cozy dining room feel bigger. We started our dinner with a couple of Blame the Sun tropical ales, which are from a local brewery. Then for our first dish, we shared the Asian salad with shrimp, pickled artichoke, mixed greens, and spicy yogurt, followed by the fish of the day, yellowtail amberjack with chili, pickled fennel, onion, and citrus. It had a beautiful presentation, a fantastic ceviche flavor, and tasted delicious. After that was the beluga lentil bowl with coconut cream, curry, sweet potatoes, and gremolata with herbs. Next was the chicken with a carrot ginger puree, cashews, pickled onions, and gochujang sauce. The chicken was incredibly tender and juicy and was a contender for Mike's favorite chicken dish ever. To finish our meal, we had the fried banana with chocolate cream, pecans, cream of bananas, and salted caramel ice cream.
Following that exceptional meal, we'll head next door to another Michelin-recommended eatery called Aneton. The two-floored modern space is understated and also has a nice indoor-outdoor flow from the dining room onto the terrace. To begin, we ordered a couple of Ikrotisa lagers to drink. Then we had the spicy chickpea croquettes with quinoa, lentils, herbs, and a lemon tahini sauce, as well as the hand-cut fries with fresh oregano, feta cheese, and fried eggs, which was a huge portion.
Afterwards, it was time for our main courses. I got the stuffed chicken with artichoke, spinach, and almonds served with carrots, peas, and a lemon egg sauce. It was very tasty. Mike ordered the vegan strigolor pasta with spring vegetables and oven-baked tomato sauce, which was also great. But my chicken dish was our favorite. For dessert, we shared the bitter chocolate ganache with milk caramel, peanut butter, and chocolate earth, which was the perfect ending to a wonderful meal.
Now we'll head over to Syntagma Square, to this 5-star hotel called the King George. We strolled through their luxurious lobby and took the elevator up to the 7th floor for dinner at Tudor Hall. The Michelin-starred restaurant has an extravagant main dining room, as well as a lovely terrace that's normally open, weather permitting, which has a fantastic view overlooking the Hellenic Parliament building, as well as Syntagma Square, and even the Acropolis. It looks much closer in person than on camera.
We got a seat by the railing on their terrace and ordered a Mythos beer. We were also served some complimentary olives and almonds, as well as some fresh pastries, including a brioche, chorizo bun, and milk bread for each of us, served with extra virgin olive oil from northern Greece, cream cheese, tomato paste, gourmet pistachio crackers, and some thin breadsticks. As if that wasn't enough, we were given some more freebies. We each had this beignet stuffed with chicken, a dish with potato foam, chorizo, and thin potato sticks, and this cute little hors d'oeuvre with cream cheese, beef tartare, and truffle. Everything was amazing, and we love how it was all free.
Then for an appetizer, we shared the buffalo milk couscous with leek foam and chives that came with chorizo waffle, egg yolk confit, and aged Gruyere, which was exceptional. Next, our main courses arrived. Tom had the free-range chicken dish with ravioli filled with thigh, Parmesan cream, and porcini sauce, as well as chicken breast and mushroom duxelle. And I chose the cod and lobster dish, which is wrapped in carrot with a butter sauce, smoked trout eggs, and herb oil. Both of our main dishes were delicious.
To finish our meal, we ordered some dessert, the vanille. It had biscuit with aged vanilla oil, cremeux, vanilla ice cream, crispy gavotte pastry, and vanilla caramel with tonka bean. And with the bill, we had our choice of petit four, which was a nice touch. Our meal at Tudor Hall was terrific. It had a wonderful view, attentive service, a gorgeous setting, and outstanding food. it's no surprise that it has a Michelin star.
Now we'll head over by this glass sculpture called The Runner to this green leafy street for a Michelin recommended restaurant called Simul. Inside is upscale and understated, but we decided to sit outside and ordered the bonito tartare with celery, horseradish, fermented pears, radishes, and furikake to start. It was delectable. Then we got the tomato and strawberries with Greek salad broth, goat cheese with mastica and cucumber sorbet, followed by the chickpeas with beef bone marrow and crayfish. It was flavorful and very tasty.
For our main course, we ordered the lamb shoulder with artichokes, green asparagus, cured egg yolk, and sumac. It was incredibly juicy, tender, and delicious. Next was dessert, the caramelized brioche, which was tasty but quite small, and some complimentary petit fours.
The food at Simul was incredible and had a unique mix of flavors, but let's keep going on our Michelin food tour to another place surrounding Syntagma Square, right next to the King George Hotel called the Hotel Grand Bretagne, that has quite an extravagant lobby with high coffered ceilings and ornate moldings, as well as a gorgeous Michelin recommended restaurant on the 8th floor, which is sleek, modern, and has a stylish design, with an open-air terrace overlooking the Hellenic Parliament building, as well as Syntagma Square and the ancient Acropolis.
We started with a complimentary bread basket, as well as a couple of fine lagers to drink. Then our appetizers arrived. We got the oven-baked smoked Zirconian eggplant with garlic, tomato glaze, and sheep yogurt, and the zucchini filled with beef tartare, Mazithra cheese, and raspberries. The zucchini appetizer was very light, tasty, and refreshing, and the eggplant was great too. For our main course, Mike had the zucchini risotto with basil and talafuti cheese, and I chose the poutine chicken with parmesan, brioche, fennel confit, kale salad with anchovies, and baragoule sauce. Both of our main dishes were fantastic, but the risotto was our favorite.
Then to finish, we had the strawberry dessert with lemon streusel, strawberry compote with hibiscus and sorbet, buttermilk foam, and crunchy meringue. Shortly after we finished our sweet treat, the sun went down and the lights came on across the city of Athens, creating a dramatic atmosphere. But it's time for us to leave this exceptional rooftop restaurant, which is definitely worth a visit.
Now we'll head to the Seaside Piraeus neighborhood right next to the marina on this lovely promenade where we found a furry little friend, as well as the Michelin-starred waterfront eatery called Varoulko Seaside. They have a nice terrace out front with a gorgeous view of the harbor, which wasn't open for the season yet, so we chose to sit in the second floor dining room and got a table right beside the large glass doors overlooking the water. There really is a spectacular panoramic view from up here.
We started our lunch with a couple of alpha beers to drink, followed by our first dish, which was the eggplant with smoked eel, fresh cream cheese, cumin, pistachios, and dates, which tasted absolutely amazing. Next, we shared the marinated red shrimp with broccoli, spearmint cream, lemon, cashews, onion, and peas.
For our main course, Mike had the sautéed red mullet with smoked celeriac, ouzo, and white garlic jam. We shared the vegetarian risotto with artichoke and black truffle, and I had the catch of the day, which was grouper. Everything that we had was super fresh and tasted delectable. Then for dessert, we got this pretty little mushroom with chocolate mousse, chocolate cremeux, mousseline porcini, hazelnut biscuit, and Greek coffee ice cream inside the stones. The mushroom dessert tasted even better than it looked. We had an unforgettable meal here from beginning to end.
If you're looking for some more budget-friendly options in Athens, Greece, then make sure to check out our Cheap Eats video. Please like and subscribe, and remember, take time to travel. Catch you on the next one.